Wow, I'm not sure about you guys, but I prefer my output is not a jumbled up mess. I like knowing exactly what I'm looking at and exactly where it came from. Hey everyone, I'm Crescentez, and in this video I'm breaking down my logger module, great for all Roblox developers. This is a beginner-friendly module, but even intermediate and advanced devs will love it for its structured logs, timers, and easy debugging. When you print stuff normally in Roblox, your output window can get pretty messy fast. Errors, warnings, and debug prints all look the same. How do you know which script or which part of the game actually caused it? This is where the logger module comes in. The logger module gives every log a type and a prefix. You can print messages only when logging is enabled, warn about potential issues, assert conditions with custom messages, and start timers to check elapsed time, which is super useful for when you're doing performance checks. Basically, it keeps your output clean and easy to read. I'm going to show you how you use this logger module. So first, you're going to want to get your logger module. I do require game.replicatedStorage.logger. Next, you're going to want to create your logger instance. The way you do this is you do logger.new and then the name of your logger. For me, I'm just going to use script.name so that I know exactly which script it came from. Next, you're going to want to set your logging attribute inside of game. This determines if logging is enabled while your game is running. The way you log something is you do your logger, so demo logger, log. Then you type in whatever you want to log. This can be a number or a string or a list of numbers or a list of strings. If you like to print something which will only go into the output if logging is enabled, you will use demo logger print. If you'd like to warn about potential issues in your game or make a log stand out more than others, you do demo log warn. If there's ever a section of your game where a variable is absolutely required and if it is not there, then it should throw an error stopping the game, you can use the assert function. If you do demo logger assert, pass in a condition which outputs into a boolean, and then whatever you want your error message to be, if this condition is ever false, it will go ahead and throw an error with the specified error that you entered. The last thing demonstrated in this demo is the timer. If you do demo logger start timer and then the name of the timer, it will then get that specified point in the game where if you were to get that timer later on with that same name, it will give you the elapsed time from when you first called it. How about we test out this demo script? As you can see, everything ran accordingly. First, we have our attribute of logging set to true, so log did say demo script started. The print statement also did run. This prints only when logging is enabled. Our warning went through, no players in the game, along with our error. What happened here is there was no first player, so we threw this function, expected at least one player, caught that in a pcall function, and then printed that back out as a warning. You can see the timer here worked as well. We did start timer, heavy task, we had a heavy for loop run, and then we got the timer after that to see how long it took for that for loop to count to 1 million. We can see that it took 2 milliseconds. This demo script will come with the module, so if you ever want to see how everything works, you got this file right here. Some common mistakes people make when using the logger module is they'll forget to set the attribute of logging. While this will not stop the logger from working, it is still a good habit to get into of setting your logging attribute to true or false depending on what you want in your game. The second issue that people commonly make is they forget to give their timers unique names. If you add a timer with a specific name and then add that timer again with the same name, all it will do is it will overwrite your previous timer. If this module helped you, the full code will be linked in the description. I'll be releasing more reusable Roblox modules like this. Don't forget to like and subscribe to find more ways to improve your Roblox scripting journey.